You sit down to check your phone for 5 minutes. You look up and an hour is gone. That is not a personal failure. That is time blindness, and it is one of the most common experiences people with ADHD describe. Here is what is actually happening. Most brains run a kind of internal clock in the background. It quietly nudges you when 20 minutes have passed or whispers that a deadline is getting close. The ADHD brain often does not get those nudges. Instead of experiencing time as a steady flow, a lot of people with ADHD live in two modes, now and not now. If something is right in front of you, it feels real. If it is in the future, even 30 minutes from now, it can feel almost invisible. That is why you can genuinely intend to leave on time and still be late. It is not that you do not care. Your brain just is not sending the signal that says this is urgent yet. There is also the flip side, hyperfocus. When something grabs your attention completely, time dissolves. Hours feel like minutes, same wiring, different direction. The brain that loses track of time when bored can also lose track of it when deeply locked in. And then comes the shame spiral. Missing appointments, letting people down, knowing you tried, that accumulates. But research is pretty clear that shame makes focus worse, not better. Being patient with yourself is not making excuses. It is actually the more effective move. So what actually helps? The core idea is simple. Stop trying to feel time and start making it visible. An internal clock that misfires is not something you push harder to fix. You replace it with something external. Use a visual timer, one where you can watch the time physically shrinking. Set multiple alarms, not one. Build in a buffer for every task. If you think something takes 20 minutes, plan for 30. And anchor your tasks to events, not clock times. Not 3 p.m. after lunch. Concrete beats abstract every time for this. If you want a little outside structure built specifically for how ADHD brains work, you can check out Gaviki at gaviki.com. Start with one visual timer today. Just one.